Hey everyone, my name is Falesha Raquel.
And it's Mark McLaughlin.
And this is the Falesha Raquel Show. We have the beautiful Chanise that we are featuring right now from Chanise Anderson. You know, this is her law firm. And we are really excited to talk to her because, you know, as myself as a realtor and Mark, obviously you in mortgages, we could definitely use your help, sister girl.
I'm here to help.
I love lawyers.
Yes. So there's a lot of people right now that are struggling with, you know, just navigating their lives right now, and we're trying to mitigate the risk of them falling down that trap and then getting sued because they made the wrong choice when it comes like the real estate needs, or maybe just not doing their due diligence and like making sure that they're looking out for their, you know, their trademarks, like their names, or building a business right now. So we're in the business of really helping people with their businesses. How important is it for somebody to like trademark their business?
Okay, so it is the most important thing you can do. Before you market, before you sell, before you buy the domain, before you get the social media handles, you need to own the brand. One of my good colleagues, Rosita Price over there, the biz lawyer, she basically says you would never buy land or build a house on land that you don't own, right? Yeah. So how are you gonna build business? How are you gonna build a business and you don't even own the name? Yeah. And a lot of times people think, oh, I'm gonna spend thousands of dollars in marketing. Well, that $1,000 that you just spent in marketing could have went to your brand ownership and could have avoided a huge lawsuit and avoided you actually losing your business brand.
Yeah. Wow. Because you know what? I think more often than not, people think that let me go and register my domain name, and then they're like, oh my God, I have a business. They go make a website, and it's like there are like 50,000 other brands that look and sound like yours, right, Mark?
Yep.
And then they're making money until one day they get a nasty email or you know they're getting served, and they're like, but wait, I've had this business for like 10 years. It's like,
Nope.
What you should have done was
What you should have did was trademark. What you should have did is trademark your name. And there's always like, you know, exceptions to like the major rule, right? Like if we could prove that you were using your name for, you know, for a certain amount of time prior to that person owning your you know, filing a trademark for their name, we could prove something called common law usage or prior usage. However, to fight that battle is going to cost you 10 times the cost it would have if you would have just trademarked your name.
And it's going to be lengthy too, probably.
It's going to be very lengthy, very costly, very tiresome. And so what happens is you get tired, you get weary, and so what you end up just doing is just starting over.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the cost, because a lot of people are shying away from the cost because they're like, oh my God, I'm just starting out, I have a new business and I don't got no money for that, but they got all types of money to go out and party and stuff, but they don't want to take their business serious.
And buy bottles.
Come on, right?
Great.
So
I am very transparent about my costs. So to trademark your name, a federal trademark that protects you in all 50 states is $1,650. In fact, I've made it so easy for you to afford that because I do payment plans. So you can break up that $1,650 into 3 months. So you can pay $550 a month for 3 months and get full ownership of your name. And we don't wait until the $550 a month is paid off. So we don't wait until it's paid in full to start the process. The moment you make your initial deposit, we begin the trademark process immediately.
that is amazing.
So essentially there's no excuse.
There is no excuse. Not only do we do the payment plans, but we also have funding partners. So you can actually finance it. We finance everything else. We finance in Fashion Nova and Shein and all these brands. Figure out how to get the funding for your business. And there's so many opportunities here to get business grants, business funding. So there really is no excuse.
There is no
None.
So it's like, how serious do you want to be about your business? Now, if you are serious, and only if you're serious about your business, you need to lock in. Now, I want to find out where, you know, our people over here can connect with you. So where can they connect with you? And what last piece of advice would you give the viewers watching right now when it comes to business and their whole empire and everything?
So you can find out about my services. You can follow me on Instagram first. I have a lot of free information on there. My Instagram handle is The Real, REEL Lawyer. Or you can call our office at 833-627-5738. And the last piece of advice that I would have for anybody who is watching, I would say believe in yourself. I think so many times that we don't do these things of protecting ourselves because you're like, whoa, what if my business doesn't take off and I spend all this money and it doesn't work out? But I'm here to tell you, what if it does? Because I am a living testament of somebody who took a leap of faith and it all worked out for me in the end because I believed in something that was bigger than me.
That is amazing. So where did you grow up? Just now, because you went there.
Yes, yes.
I'm like, wait a minute. The sleep of faith. Girl,
Listen, I
want to know a little bit more.
I do. Tell me, Chanise.
Let me tell you my story.
Yeah.
So I am the daughter of a Jamaican immigrant. You know Toronto, y'all got a lot of Jamaicans out there.
We're Jamaican.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
My husband over there was born and raised in Ocho Rios, Jamaica.
Jamaican over there.
Jamaican over there. I love that.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. So, and then my mom was raised, obviously, by her Jamaican mother as well.
Yeah.
My grandma came to this country, left her 8 kids in Jamaica, migrated to New Jersey, and was cleaning toilets as a janitor. And then she was able to get a visa and was able to file for her children. My mom came here, became the first in her family to get a bachelor's degree, and I became the first in my family to get a law degree. And so that is my motivation, that my grandma came from little old island of Jamaica for me, cleaning toilets for me. I want to make her proud. Like, that's the legacy that I am carrying on. So when I say, like, I wasn't handed a silver spoon, like, I didn't just get this. Like, I had to build this. I had to work for it. And I believed in myself. And even when I had moments, I'm not going to say it wasn't times where I'm like, man, like, I didn't believe in myself, but that's why it's important on who you marry. Because my husband over there who's holding the camera, he believes in me all the way. Even when I don't see the value in myself, he sees the value in me. So it's important to be aligned in your marriage, with your friendships, with your business partners, because when you don't see the greatness in you, other people see the greatness in you.
You know, and I want to speak to that real quick. She got me going here. I got to unpack some stuff, y'all, so stick with me. Talking about your significant other, because we did speak about this in one of our episodes, the importance of having a significant other, your husband, your wife, your spouse, that person you know, lay with at night, and you're having pillow talk. How important is it for that person to be aligned with you and who you are ordained to be on this planet, on this earth, in this spiritual realm here?
Because here's the thing. Oh, you said spiritual realm, girl. We going there, okay? Because I'm saving sanctify y'all. So my husband, you know when the Bible says, like, be equally yoked, like literally, like, equally yoked in all aspects, right? Not just romantically and maritally, but relationally and in business adventures as well. Because when you guys are not aligned in the home and on those things, it causes contention in everything that you do. So in raising our kids, we have to be aligned. In doing this, we are literally doing this business. Like, my husband literally quit his job so that he could build this empire with me. That's how much he believed in me.
Can you guys just take this and let that absorb for you?
He's like, I am leaving corporate America because I just know that this is gonna be something amazing. And he took that leap of faith with me, and now we're riding all foot to the pedal, to the gas, like no brakes. All in.
There is no, like, you don't even.
There's no other option.
An option.
There's no other option because we have 2 kids who are watching us, and who are we to just give up? We're like, you know what? At least we can say we tried. At least we can say we tried.
I am so proud of you, Mark.
I love
Did you want to add anything?
No, listen. I'm inspired now. I want to go run a marathon. So thank you, ladies. No, congratulations on your success. Obviously, it's not been easy, but it's all been worth it.
That's the perfect way to end that.
And you know what, guys? You know, we talk on this channel about the importance of putting God first. This woman right here is doing God's work. You know, she's literally building, she has her whole family in on this, and this is what legacy building looks like. And she's here, her children are watching. These are generational curses that have been broken here. We're broken. So shout you out, girl. Shout you out, sister. You know, we love what you're doing. Keep doing it. God bless you.
Thank y'all so much.
And if you got value, guys, make sure you like and subscribe and share this video. And you'll find all of Chanise's stuff down at the bottom. You already know how it is.
That's it.